JPMorgan Chase, or ticker JPM, so they had a pickup, right? Deal making, underwriting, crushed estimates for the third quarter. Trading, investment banking fees. The firm says it was the busiest quarter for IPOs since 2021, which was really, really interesting. But here's the thing. The shares are lower. Jamie Dimon had this cautious tone when he was talking about the economy. He's saying there continues to be this heightened degree of uncertainty coming from a few things, right? Like complex geopolitical conditions, tariffs, trade uncertainty, the risk of sticky inflation. Now, because of that, the bank set aside $810 million for potentially soured loans, and that was more than analysts expected. So that's a big part of why those shares are lower this morning.
I worked there. I'm just pointing them out. Nobody cares.
That's it.
I worked at JPMorgan Chase back in the day. Go ahead.
You did. There you go. Among many places.
I'll
He's going to chime in. Okay, good. Goldman Sachs, ticker GS.
Did work there.
Did record third quarter revenue, resurgence in deal making, right? It pushed its investment banking haul past expectations. Here's the number. So they posted $2.66 billion investment banking fees. That topped estimates. As a whole, it reported revenue of $15.818 billion. That was the largest haul for that quarter in its history. It's third highest overall for all quarters. In other news, and you had mentioned this, Paul, David Solomon saying that role of AI driving down costs. So Goldman reported 14% jump in employee compensation. Citigroup, yes?
Yes.
There you go. Ticker C. Beat Wall Street revenue estimates. This was across all 5 of its major business lines. You had total revenue jump 9%. It's markets, banking, services, wealth, U.S. retail divisions. They all set records for the third quarter. Traders in equities, fixed income products, they pushed past forecasts. They pulled in a total of $5.6 billion, or 15% more than the year earlier. Expenses climbed about 9%. And then the firm also pointed to higher spending on compensation and also on benefits, too. Wells Fargo.
Yes. Wells Fargo got its original broker-dealer license.
Okay.
From way back in the 90s, from my firm, Wheat First Securities in Richmond, Virginia. That was the original.
Wow.
That's when they could start trading securities.
All right.
Way back in the day.
Look at that. Okay, ticker WFC. So they raised their key profitability metric. Made the first major update about the bank's next growth target, the removal of those regulatory restraints. But this is all coming as the firm reported net interest income slightly missed analysts' estimates. And why not end after all banking stuff? Okay, we'll end with Domino's Pizza.
Okay, a little reward.
Total reward. Because there were other companies that reported earnings today. They were amongst them. Ticker DPZ. Better than expected quarterly results. Their shares have been up as much as 7%. 2 things that they said were due to it. Best deal ever promotion. That was the one thing. And their stuffed crust pizza. Haven't tried it.
It's been a while since I've had a Domino's pizza, but I feel like living in New York.
Yeah, I mean, I have to remind myself, most of the world, most of the U.S. does not have good pizza. So Domino's is big.
It's true, because we live in New York.
Pizza Hut is big. I mean, I've lived in parts
Papa
of
John's, dare I suggest.
Yeah, I mean, you're down in Durham, North Carolina.
Yes. I ate a lot of Papa John's.
You got to scramble there for your pizza.
Close to the Duke campus. There's one right there by Brightleaf Square.
But the one in Chapel Hill was my fave.
Pepper's Pizza.
Pepper's Pizza, no longer there. I think that was a victim of the
sunny
pandemic.
place for shady people was the motto of
Pepper's
that pizza place.
Franklin Street in Chapel Hill. Great pizza place.
Yeah.
But Domino's doing well. Stock up 3% in the pre-market there.